What's up everyone, Alan Morrow here and welcome to this Trance Breakbeat tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to create a breakbeat section for your tracks from scratch. I'll be covering every layer in detail such as the kick, percussion, atmosphere, progressions, harmonies, pads, arps, stabs, unique percussion hits and more. I'll also be talking you through the full thought process of every decision that is made so that you can also understand each of the creative decisions. As well as this, I'll be going into detail on things such as the effects, mixing, processing, leveling and showing you what type of elements you can use in your breakbeat sections. To find out more, head to alanmorrowstudios.com and grab your copy now.